BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster PIVOT VAC. The mighty mini vacuum that means business. Ever wished for a vacuum that actually works without the hassle of cords and clunky attachments? The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster PIVOT VAC is your mess-fighting hero, built for speed, power, and convenience. This 20-volt max cordless vacuum delivers intense suction, devouring crumbs, pet hair, and dust in a flash. Its cyclonic action keeps suction strong, while the pivoting wide-mouth nozzle ensures no speck of dirt escapes. Plus, it's lightweight, making cleaning fast and effortless. Whether tackling messes at home or in your car, this handheld powerhouse is always ready to roll, because your time is too precious for weak vacuums. Tired of playing acrobat while cleaning? This vacuum bends, twists, and pivots like a gymnast for dirt removal. The 200 degrees pivoting nozzle reaches behind furniture, under seats, and into tight spaces with ease. Say goodbye to awkward angles and backbreaking effort. Built-in accessories like a flip-up brush and extendable crevice tool let you attack pet fur, dusty shelves, and car upholstery without switching attachments. And when you're done? No messy bags to replace, just pop open the easy-to-empty dirt bowl, dump the mess, and rinse the washable filter. Quick, simple, and stress-free. Think a handheld vacuum can't handle serious messes? Think again. The BLACK+DECKER PIVOT VAC is powered by a high-performance 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, ensuring strong, uninterrupted suction for up to 10 minutes. No need to wrestle with cords or waste time plugging and unplugging. Need a quick clean before guests arrive? Done. Car covered in crumbs? Handled. This time-saving beast lets you clean faster, so you can get back to enjoying life. Plus, the compact charging base keeps it ready to go at all times, because messes don't wait, and neither should you. If durability and efficiency had a baby, this vacuum would be it. Unlike competitors that lose suction faster than a deflating balloon, this one is built to stay powerful. The cyclonic action technology keeps dirt away from the filter, ensuring long-lasting performance. Made with high-grade materials, it's designed for years of heavy use. The washable filter means no expensive replacements, making it an affordable, long-term investment. Whether you're cleaning everyday spills or tackling deep messes, this vacuum is ready for action, because who has time for weak, disposable gadgets? The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster PIVOT VAC is the ultimate handheld vacuum, compact, powerful, and ridiculously easy to use. It's the secret weapon against dust, pet hair, and messes that sneak into hard-to-reach places. Strong suction, smart design, and cordless convenience make it the go-to choice for homes and cars alike. Stop wasting time with vacuums that just push dirt around, upgrade to the vacuum that actually gets the job done. Grab yours today and clean like a pro, because life's too short for bad vacuums.